Warning, don't tighten the middle 3 eyelets. What could go wrong? Oh. Okay. These are advertised as 9 inches. Yeah, I'd probably tell her that was 9 inches too. We'll stick the nitty-gritty stuff at the end so the kids at the back of the class can get in and out in just 2 pumps. The waterproofing is not Gore-Tex, and they only advertise these as moisture wicking, not breathable, other than the tongue. That could explain why my feet are always wrinkly at the end of the day. The zipper makes getting these on and off only slightly easier, and the Velcro does a barely adequate job keeping the zipper up. I'd say the zipper is a feature that is not required. Traction is second to none to boots I've tried. You'll still slip on sheer ice like anything else, but compared to a lot of other boots I've used, these are very good. The laces are meh, and I typically swap mine out with ones from the military when I can find them at surplus stores or online, although with extreme use these boots eat even the best laces like I've never seen. The safety toe is non-metallic, which is great for weight and trying to stay warm in the cold, not to mention not setting off metal detectors at the airport. And now for the nitty-gritty stuff for the kids at the front of the class. These are advertised at 1.620 kilograms, or 57 ounces, 3 pounds 8 ounces, just over 3.5 pounds. Actual weight is 1.586 kilograms, or 3.49, or 3 pound 8 ounces. The weight is pretty much bang on from what the website says. Here's the info on the tongue for the real nerds. And pros and cons. Weight. Very light for a work boot. Waterproof, lasts up to 6 months before tearing with extreme use. Traction is better than most. Safety toe is composite. Better for the cold, weight, and metal detectors. Hot weather. These are good for summer use. Comfort, almost as good as a running shoe once broken in. Price, it's a mid-range boot, so it's great value for the dollar. Cons, durability. It only lasts about 6 to 8 months with extreme use. You can push it to a year if you're not so hard on them. Maybe even 2 if you really late use. They're not breathable, and you end up with soggy feet at the end of the day from sweat. They squeak on some tile types. Cold weather, they're okay if you're going to be working down to minus 15 Celsius or 5 degrees Fahrenheit, but they're not advertised as a cold weather boot, so they're not great for cold weather. And the laces are average to crappy quality. Overall, it's a pass with comfort and price outweighing the negatives. And here's what my setup looks like for this video. I'm hoping to set up a boom for my heavy tripod to use a real camera and to stop things like this from happening. I've just started building the channel, so if you want to subscribe for more random tech videos, go for it.